Hey, what's going on, loves, and welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef Money. Yes, guys, I understand that Valentine's Day is over with. I understand that I'm a day late and $1 short, but I have something for you guys today. It was inexpensive, under $20 for all the ingredients that I use, and I'm telling y'all, we got a nice succulent fried lobster tail, sauteed spinach, and a sweet potato puree. When I tell y'all restaurant style, restaurant flavors, it was the bomb. So if you are a new subscriber here, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and also the post notification bell so you know when I'm dropping new content. Let's get to it. So I have my oil on the stove heating up at this point on a medium high heat. We're gonna go ahead and make our batter, which was super simple. Was the seasoning, the Louisiana fish fry that we're gonna use, chicken fry. I think it was cornstarch and a couple dashes of Larry. That's it. That's all. It was nothing to it. On the other side of the screen, I'm showing you guys how to properly, how I bust down a lobster tail by just taking my shears or my scissors and I cut over on the top of the shell. And then you'll see me loosening it up with my fingers that I run through the top of it, and then also on the bottom so that I can release the meat from the shell. I also show y'all guys how to remove the vein, or they call it the poop track. Yes, lobster's poop. Now I'm joking, guys, but also how to remove the track or the poop track that's within it, so you're not chewing on anything that's tough once we go ahead and fry it up. So yeah, so you can watch that side of the screen, but then you also can pay attention to what we got going on. So bam, there's our lobster tail, nice and clean. The track has been taken out of it, and then we're going to go ahead and just dump that into our flour mixture that we had already prepared with the cornstarch, the chicken fry, and also our seasoning salt or Lawry's, how you want to call it. So yeah, so as you can see it, oh my goodness, we're gonna fry it up. It's gonna come out tasting just like a piece of Popeye's fried chicken. I'm telling y'all, it was so good. I am so in love with lobster and shrimp and crab. I'm a true Marylander for real, y'all. I'm telling y'all. So there we go again. Just shake off the excess or whatever and go ahead and place it into our oil. Now for me, it took approximately, I want to say 5 to 7 minutes to fry. This was probably a 5 to 6 ounce lobster tail that you would usually buy in your local grocery store. So yeah, that's about it. I think next we're going to go ahead and get started on our sauteed spinach while our lobster tail is frying up. Gotta wait for me to catch up. Oil in the pan, making sure that's hot, swirling that around so that when I place my garlic in, everything gets brown and sauteed. Boom. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Sliced garlic. I love garlic, and I love garlic big. I don't really like the minced garlic that you would see in your grocery stores, but I like to buy fresh and then chop it down myself to the desired size that I would like it. So bang, there's our spinach going in the pan. Love sauteed spinach. Simple, easy, fast. No hard work at all. So y'all guys, we have the lobster that's frying. We're gonna go ahead and take some kosher salt, just a little sprinkle dash on the spinach. Bam. Not so much. Then we're gonna take some crushed red pepper flakes. I'm in love with those too. I mean, it just brings out your greens or anything that you're cooking that's basically greens, collard greens, spinach, green beans. It always adds extra flavor. We're gonna take a little bit of black pepper and we're gonna put that in there, guys. Yep, I'm going to take our tongs and we're just going to go ahead and just saute and mix all of that oil, seasonings, and the garlic together. And I'd say when this is done, like in less than a minute, it's done in less than a minute. No more, no less. I'm telling y'all guys. And that's on period. Poo. But no, just going to saute that down, and I didn't cook it all the way. I let it go like halfway, and then I turned off my heat, and then I just let it sit in the hot pan because eventually it'll continue to cook as we wait for everything else to get done. So as you can see right there, I'm turning off my heat. Thumbs up. It was done in less than 60 seconds, guys. Yes. One more shoosh. And we're just gonna let that sit and marinate, and that's pretty much it, y'all. I don't know why I stepped away from the camera for a minute or two, guys. I'll be right back. Boom. As you can see, I've cleaned up my station. I'm about to pull my lobster tail out of the grease at this point. It's been approximately 5 to 7 minutes, as I stated earlier. We're just going to pull that off, turn the heat off, and then we're going to place it on a paper towel. Y'all, look at that. Love that lobster at my knees. Yeah, someone needs to make me a jingle on that, but that lobster tail looked D-bomb, and it was the bomb. Hello. So we have a nice little plate that I have there. I'm gonna just show y'all a little presentation, you know, for your date night, or if you just want to wow yourself or spoil yourself. So now, guys, we're going to take our sweet potato puree that we had already done, that was sitting on the back of the stove, and you know, I'm just going to do a little presentation, a little couple blops. Didn't want to do anything too fancy, because I know maybe the majority of these people are home cooks that are watching my videos, but I do welcome everybody. Yeah, and I just wanted to take this and just smoosh it down a little bit and just smear it across my plate. There you have it. Nothing too smancy. Nothing too smant. And then we're going to take our sauteed spinach and garlic, and we're just going to place that in the middle. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I'm telling y'all, I could eat spinach and garlic all day long. Now we're going to take our lobster tail, fried it up. Look at it. Oh my gosh, all the grease stains. That joint look like a pretty new car, I'm telling y'all. And we're going to just go ahead and place that. Excuse my hand, y'all. I had to get the lobster how I wanted it on the plate, but there we go. Yep, jazz fingers. And then y'all know I love a little sriracha, so I'm going to go ahead and take some of the sriracha and just do a little drizzle across the lobster, because I feel like it tastes so good. Y'all, look at that. And on top of the spinach. I was about to say collard greens, but yeah. Then I have some yum sauce that I also purchased from the store that I'm going to take and drizzle. Ooh. Check it out over the top too. And y'all, I'm telling y'all, under $20. Look at that plate. Y'all can't tell me that wasn't awesome. Again, guys, I want to thank y'all for watching my video. And until next time, God bless. Love you all.